Finding out about the opportunities in Leeds was very exciting.
I feel like I've gained so much experience and so much knowledge.
Not just using equipment, but how it works fully and how to set it up.
It's different and exciting.
And it's totally not what you expect.
As a manufacturing business in Leeds, I think we shock quite a lot of people. People don't realise how many manufacturers there are in Leeds. When you then say that we manufacture jukeboxes, which is something completely, really unique, people expect these to be coming from America, not from Crossgates.
From scientific equipment to dog hair dryers to baby monitors. Generally people are quite shocked that there's a small company in Pudsey manufacturing electronics.
With fiberglass moulder, bath panels, ambulance ramps, water treatment tanks. If it's mouldable, we'll make it.
Over a third of our workforce have got degrees. We've got people doing marketing, accounts, designing new products, testing products as well as manufacturing them. There's people programming sophisticated machine tools. There's so many different skills.
You can become a design engineer, you can go into marketing, there's accounts, there's all the business admin, and then there's all the production, which is surface mount, conventional, testing. Enormous amount of opportunities here.
Getting into work and getting some on-the-job training can give massive opportunities going forward.
We need young people who want to come into manufacturing to design new things, make new things. We need fresh blood, lots of fresh ideas, lots of new enthusiasm.
Since I've started, my confidence has grown. I can go down there and speak to anybody.
Knowing that I can do my job and knowing that I'm getting better each day makes it enjoyable.
Manufacturing can give you some fantastic hands-on skills, get you to understand the business, and it's great fun.
And we need designers, we need electronics engineers, we need woodworkers and metal workers, yeah. But you might be into accountancy. There's skills and opportunities required everywhere.